is doing well.
Today we are going to make a sweet dessert.
And our sweet dessert is called mango cake. Before we start everything, let's sing a song first. Everybody, you may follow us.
Mango, mango, mango.
Crackers, crackers, crackers.
Milk, milk, milk.
Let's make a mango cake. One more time.
Mango, mango, mango.
Crackers, crackers, crackers.
Milk, milk, milk.
Let's make a mango cake. Now, let's take the ingredients. Miss Lina, what do we have?
Mango,
Crackers.
milk.
Yes, we have two kinds of milk, evaporated and condensed milk. Before we make the cake, make sure you have your chef's hat, apron, and the last you need gloves. These are my gloves. Don't forget to wash your hands, yeah. Okay, 1, 2. We are ready. The first step, put the crackers into the plastic. Miss Lina, can you help me to crush the crackers?
Sure, Miss Baby.
Okay, everyone, you can crush the crackers until we get the crumbs. This is the way I crush the crackers, crush the crackers, crush the crackers. This is the way I crush the crackers until we get the crumbs. Okay! Wow, Miss Lina, you are so strong. Thank you, Miss Lina. So, this is the crumbs. You just put it aside. Then, we will go to the next tab.
What's next, Miss Baby?
Now, you need to mix the milk. Okay, you need 10 tablespoons of condensed milk and 10 tablespoons of evaporated milk. You can mix in the cup. Mix together. Wow, it looks so creamy.
Wow.
And now, get your bowl and we will start to make the mango cake. The first step, get the crumbs. Get the crumbs, put into the bowl. Okay, I will put 3 tablespoons of the crumbs. 2, 3. Okay, then press it. Now, put 2 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2. Okay. Then, you layer with the mango. Put the crumbs again. 1, 2. Okay. 2 tablespoons of crumbs. Pour the milk again, Miss Lina.
Okay, Miss Baby.
1, 2.
2. Wow.
It looks yummy. I cannot wait to eat the mango cake. Put the mango again. 1, 2. Wow, it's a big mango. Then put the crumbs on the top again. 1, 2. I will press it first. Press until flat. Okay, the milk again, Miss Lina.
Okay, Miss Baby.
1,
2.
2. One more? Can we add one more?
Okay.
Okay.
Wow.
I will give the mango again. I want 3 slices of mango. 2, 3. Okay. This is the last.
1,
1, 2. I need one more.
3.
Yes. And then we cover the mango. Press. Okay. Put the milk again.
Okay.
Maybe we need 5 tablespoons
Okay, wow.
of milk for the last layer.
3,
4, 5. Okay, I will press it. And we done. We are done with the mango cake. This is it, the finished product of our mango cake. Enjoy making your mango cake with your family.